Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today, guys, we are in my kitchen remodel and we're going to talk about this sink. This is a drop-in 42-inch black stainless steel sink made by COZYBLOCK. I love this thing because it has a ton of features. I've mounted a commercial grade faucet on the top. It handles it great and I don't end up with a lot of oversplash. So being 42 inches wide, it handles a ton of strong water and overspray. So the commercial faucet works extremely well here. I love the fact that it has these little sliding rails and they give you things like this that you can fill with it full of vegetables, and you can actually rinse it right into that, and you can move it to wherever you need. They also give you a cutting board that has the juice rail all the way around it, and it slides on there the same way, and they give you a hanging rack that you can let things dry out on over here as well. Rinse it and let it dry. And if you notice the very bottom, you have standoff racks, and there are two of them and they're independent. So it keeps things off the very bottom. Now this is a single bowl, meaning that I have one drain on this side, which I have my garbage disposal on, and everything will flow that direction. And like I said in the beginning, this is a top mount, so you will actually silicone this in all the way around the top, so it's very easy to install this. So guys, if you are in the middle of a kitchen remodel like this and you're looking for a really good high quality sink, one that's really big, that's going to handle an awful lot, basically a workstation, I don't think you're going to go wrong with this one. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today, and we'll see you guys on the next review.